Before we actually look at the code used to program the collision, I want to do a quick review with the concept that's listed at the beginning of the tutorial. So if you flip back, you can see that we define shapes by their four boundaries: the top, the bottom, the left, and the right. However, the coordinates are defined by the top being the top of the object. The bottom of the object is actually called ball.top plus the dimension you see from top to bottom. So this ball is 25 pixels by 25 pixels. So in that case, the top is referred to as ball.top, and that obviously is the name of the object. The bottom is referred to ball.top plus 25, because you remember the coordinate system used in XOJO is the same as QBasic, which means 0, 0 is the top edge of your page, your origin. Your x coordinate increases to the right, and your y coordinate increases as you go down. So ball.top plus 25 is here, ball.top is here. And the same concept applies from left to right. This side is defined as ball.left. The object is 25 pixels wide, so the right side is defined as ball.left plus 25. And that same obviously applies to the square, except the square is 100 by 100. So as we work our way through that concept, here is the collision if you're moving to the right. So when the right side of the ball, which is called ball.left plus 25, becomes greater than or passes past the left side of the square, which is called square.left, then the collision occurs. If you're moving to the left, it's the opposite. This is ball.left. As it decreases, if it ever gets less than square.left plus 100, we have a collision occurring. As we move up, the ball top is right here, ball.top, and it is going to decrease. So if it ever gets less than square.top plus 100, we have a collision occurring. And going down, the final one, the bottom of the ball is referred to as ball.top plus 25. And if it ever gets greater than or passes below square.top, then we have a collision occurring. So the beauty part about this is that we can use the AND command to put all of those into each bit of code. So if all four of those connected with an AND occur, then we know we have a collision regardless of which direction we're moving from. So the best thing to do is type all of that into one button, and then simply you can copy and paste that into all of your other buttons, and that collision then will be registered no matter which direction you're coming in. All right, so let's flip back over to our actual application. So here we go. Again, my square and my circle, my two text fields that are giving me the actual coordinates. Now, these are not important to the actual collision itself. I just put them on there so you could understand the concept. We have our two labels, our reset color button, and we have most of our action in these buttons here. So if I take a look at my up button, ball.top equals ball.top minus 5. So that's going to move my ball in the up direction. Here I take the coordinates. So ball.top is expressed as a string and put into bc.text. Square.top plus 100, and that is really the bottom of the ball, is also expressed as a string and placed into the text field called SC, which is the square coordinate. Here's my collision code. So if all of these collision possibilities are true, then we change the fill color of the ball and we put in an RGB value. In this case, I think it turns to a dark gray. And then we do our end if. So that will work for your collisions, regardless of the direction in which you're coming from. You can see that I have, this is my collision if my ball is moving up. This is my collision if my ball is moving down. This is my collision if my ball is moving to the left, minus 5, and this is my collision if my ball is moving to the right. So again, if you can't see all of this code in the video, it's all in the tutorial. You can jump back and take a look at it. And give it a shot. Let me know how it works. Sorry, there's one more thing I do want to show you, and that is we'll take a look back at the reset button. So as I back out here, I'm going to go to my window so you can see where I'm going. My reset color is pretty straightforward. ball.fillColor equals RGB value, and 255, 255, 255, which is your red, green, blue values, are all set to maximum, which gives you a white color. And that's all there is for the code. Good luck with that. Give it a shot. Let me know how it works.